Hello. So today we will be looking at the Power BI proof of concept. This proof of concept was done for a US client which was looking to optimize profits using data analytics in their organization. They have various workers who work and managers who report to managers, and they want to analyze data analytics to identify if they can improve. We will move on to the dashboard page. This is how the first dashboard look like. We will go into the week commencing filter, and we can see that the week start and week end for each week, that we have dates for each week. It is arranged in a descending order where we start with below as January and move on for January, February and May. We will select one of the week for the commencing. We will see that how the gross profit for this particular week has been performing. We'll further go into the details about which RLS this particular week selection, and it will select a particular manager. So this manager over here, we can see that for this manager in this week, the gross profit was 7.70%, which was in an amber area. Now, what would a particular manager need to do in terms of improving gross profit margins? So there are two ways we can do it. We can either improve the efficiency, which we can see in this chart, or reduce the overall cost that is involved into it. In order to improve efficiency, we can see that the actual gross profit was 7.70. However, there was ideal time available for this particular manager. 6.70% was ideal time. Had we used this idle time, have we used this completely, we would have got a gross profit of around 14.40%. Even though in real scenarios, improving or eliminating this idle time wouldn't be possible, but a mere reduction of 1 or 2% can have a significant impact in the gross profit available. The other aspect is cost involved into it. We can see that for the three costs, they are green, which means they are well below the target. However, labor cost is a section which is above the target, which is also causing the overall cost increase. So you can see the approximately 2,000 cost is increased overall, and all of those are coming from the labor cost. So idle time along with labor cost. So there is a possibility that the resource managements are not properly managed by this manager. In order to understand it, let's further drill down to see what are the labor costs involved into it. Once we drill down, we can see that there is only one person or one individual who is earning their salary. So really managing employees is not the issue. However, increasing efficiency is the only option that is available to increase the revenues, gross profit. We'll look into the cost analysis with further details. We can see that we have a drill option over here. So the overall cost that is involved divided into 4 different costs that is available. We can further drill down into each of them and identify which kind of costs are available. So for the equipment cost, which was $8,500, it is between fixed cost, field cost, and variable cost. For the variable cost, we can further see that it has maintenance of $60, which further has, which was parts maintenance that was available. So like this, we will be able to drill down the cost to the most detailed possible level and identify and fix the requirement costs. Coming to the data model, the data model used is a facts and dimension table. This is a fact table, and there are various dimensions which has relationship with this fact table. With that, I will stop the proof of concept over here. Thank you.